Hey, I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Ryobi power inflator right here. It's been out a couple of years. Don't know exactly how long, but first time I've shown it on my channel. So, if I can read this right, it is a model P737D. I've got a 4 amp battery in here right now. It's not too loud. Okay, here's a pistol grip. Air holes, locking air holes. This way it is connect, this way is locked. Connect, locked. Trigger handle right here. Trigger start, I mean. A little bit beefy right here, real beefy. Got the air vents right here on each side. And I still don't know what that's for. It has 2 holes in it, as you can see. Maybe it's for hanging it up on a peg hook. Anyway, pretty nice little tool here. With the 4 amp battery, it's about 3.5 pounds, somewhere around there, just guessing. It has a LED light on the back. Lets you know your PSI as you're blowing it up. Got something stuck in there, looks like a cat hair. Anyway, pretty nice tool. Right down here, it has some accessories. It has a needle valve. It has 2 little connectors right here that you can use to blowing up air mattresses, pool floats, whatever you have. Needle valves for basketball. Okay, here I am sitting at my tire in my truck. I'm going to let the air out to show you how long it takes to air this thing up. Let me grab this little thing right here off of here. Let's see, put this on. Clamp it down. Clamp it down, and it shows 13 pounds. 14 pounds, 13 and a half, 13 pounds. We're going to see how long it takes to blow this up to 35 pounds. Let me get this going here. Stopwatch. There we go. You can push start. 5 minutes, and we'll call that 15 seconds. Turn my phone off here. So, y'all saw how quick that was. Wasn't the quickest, of course, but roadside emergencies should be fine. No issues with that at all. Pleased with this. Very pleased. Okay, we're back. You saw me blow up that tire. Just over 5 minutes to blow it up, which isn't great, but considering it's better than being left stranded on a highway or on the side of the road somewhere. Pretty quick for what it is. I'm pleased with it. Very similar to the Heart brand that Walmart sells, but this is the Ryobi Home Depot. I'm pleased with it. So if you have one of these, let us know how you like yours. If you keep it in the car or keep it in your workshop, pretty interested to find that out. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.